Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Megatypers. So easy job, easy money. So earn typer credits worth over $200 every month. So they're currently looking for typers from around the globe. All you need to have to work with us is a computer with an internet connection, an ability to type at least 10 minutes per minute. Our schedules are flexible. You can work at any hour that you want and as for long as you please. The quicker you type, the more typer credits, which can be exchanged for a dollar currency, you earn. Guys, all you need to do is be able to type 10 words per minute. That is very, very easy. So, who is this job for? It's for mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job, students, and people in between jobs. Now, this is not going to make you rich, guys. So this is going to be some good money that you're going to make on the side as a side job. Now, how much you earn depends on the amount of work that you do. Our top typers earn between 100 typer credits and 250 typer credits each month. Our payment rates start from 45 cents typer credits for each 1,000 word images typed, and can go as high as $1.50 typer credits for each 1,000 words typed. As typer credits can be automatically exchanged for a dollar currency, we may pay through debit cards, bank, check, PayPal, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. If I was you guys, I would use PayPal because it's easy to sign up and you'll get the money faster. Now guys, all you have to do is come to megatypers.com, and what you're going to do is click right here to sign up, and all you have to do is put in your email, password, your name, click right here which payment you want to use. Again, I would, if I was you, I would use PayPal. As you can see, they said recommended. And then if somebody invited you, you put a code here. Then you check this box. We do not promote or use any third-party software. So you just need to check that. You just check this box right here. Make sure you're not a robot and click register. It's very, very easy to sign up. And what you're going to do is you're going to get an email letting you know, okay, here's the next step you need to do. And then you start getting the typing jobs. So it's very simple to sign up. Okay guys, that's it. Yeah, it was a short video today. But before you leave, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And make sure you hit that like button. It really would help this video out. One more thing before I go. If you're having trouble manifesting money in your life, check out this ebook. All you gotta do is click on the link in the comments below or in the description. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos so you can learn more ways to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.